Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VISL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first area of support is definitely going to be a very important one, especially with the big move into the downside. And that is right here at 58 cents. And the reason why that is just such a critical area is, I I realize I'm stating the obvious, but yeah, this one pulled back a whole lot today. But at least the price didn't totally go to new lows or anything like that. It maintained above these previous lows here. But if in the near future the price just decides to come down there, break through that level and continue on down, well, what would you have at that point? At that point, you have the price down at new lows. So in other words, from essentially new highs to all of a sudden new lows in just a few days, that is just a nasty situation. I realize I state the obvious with that, but that is why 58 cents very, very important, because as of now, to be fair, from a technical point of view, you could have the price come down here and maybe have a double bottom pattern in place. Double bottom meaning, you'd have bottom one right there, and then if that can go sideways right there, number two, and then you could get a nice little, turn back around. And now when I say turn around, I'm not saying it, and therefore it's going up to $3, but I'm just saying there is still, some bright spots left in the chart. There is also a matter of perspective. What do I mean? Well, I get it. If you're a day trader and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 7 minutes, well, then yeah, from that point of view, the chart looks terrible. But I'm making these comments geared more towards the bigger picture point of view. But 58 cents, definitely very, very important area of support. As far as levels of resistance, keep a close eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average in the near term, currently valued at 63 cents. If the price can push up through there, then the next key level after that would be right up there around the 68-cent mark. But overall, a rough-looking chart, but there is still some possibility to maybe get some sort of double bottom pattern in play here. So we'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.